Hello, my name is Ryan Moore, and I'm going to be informing you on greenhouse gases and how they can affect the environment just as much as you personally or your family members. We're going to start off with why greenhouse gases are so bad. Greenhouse gases are bad because of, my first point here is heat getting trapped in the atmosphere. So the heat emitting from Earth is getting trapped in the atmosphere, which is causing a big climate change. So like during the summers it's getting a lot hotter, and during the winters it's getting a little warmer, and there's not as much like snow or you don't see many days under like negative anymore. So it's not helping that at all. It's melting the polar ice caps, which is making the ocean rise. So it can start just going over like just start taking over houses that are by the shore. It's not going to be for a while, but it can happen here in the future. Um, Greenhouse gases can also contribute to respiratory diseases. So they can, if you have a problem with breathing, like asthma, it would hurt a lot with asthma. Greenhouse gases can even like get you to like have cancer. It can get that bad if it affects you that bad, and it can get bad. Also, a bad thing about greenhouse gases in it is it increases wildfires. So most people know about the California wildfires and how it just keeps on getting set off with a gender reveal party, which is crazy. But and at the beginning of 2020, which just set it all off, the Australia wildfires, and that lasted for at least 20 to 25 days, if I can remember. Um, so I'm going to talk about how to slow it. How to slow it is you can start off by running your house on solar panels, so you can run your energy from your house and just run it strictly off the sun. No using like any energy emits into the ozone or the atmosphere. You can also adjust your thermostat during the winter and the summer. So during the summer, you'd want to adjust it to 3 degrees above, like if you want to set it to like 70, set it to 73, or even turn it off if it's not too hot. But I know it's hard to do. Um, or during the winter, say you set it to, I don't know how, like 73, just set it to 70, cuddle up in a blanket. That's not hurting the ozone or the atmosphere. Um, and you also want to reduce on tossing high energy reliant products such as like TVs and computers because of what those items are built with. They're the chemicals inside of those, like all the batteries, they get punctured and they just release the gases. That is also not very good for the atmosphere. So, what are the greenhouse gases? So, what they're made of most of is carbon dioxide, which has 81% to do with most of it. That is not good to breathe in at all. The next closest one, the next gas, is methane. Methane comes in with 10% of the greenhouse gases. The third one is nitrous oxide, which that's 7% of it. And I've found that source from Environmental Protection Agency. I was online. They had a really good study going on about it. Um, and the other greenhouse gas is just fluorinated gases. So they're still a pretty big deal, but they're not as much getting emitted into the atmosphere. So now my big thing here is like how it can affect you personally. I mean, if you have a family member that can't breathe and they need to run on oxygen, because I know a lot of people have to like walk around with one of those tanks, and like that, these greenhouse gases are not helping them. It's making it harder to breathe. And I found this study I found it on USA Today. It was a study in 2019 by this Australian science professor, and he was he figured it up to be by 2050, human civilization can go away if these gases get so bad because they can just absolutely just kill off all humans if we don't stop it now. Some people are saying it's too late to stop. I don't think it's too late to stop. I think if we can all like join in together. I know like not many people are making it a big deal right now, but it is a very big deal. And we need to slow it down a little bit because we are producing a lot of toxins going into the atmosphere. So I'm going to try to do my part, and I hope you guys do your part about keeping the atmosphere safe. And thank you for watching.